and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this red explosion look. It was inspired by V for Void on Instagram, and let's get started. So I'm pulling up my hair. As you can see, I've chopped a lot of my hair off. I'm applying some concealer into my eyebrows. I have a little bit of makeup on from a look I had just done, but there's no need to worry. I'm just going to cover most of it anyway. So I just want to make my eyebrows a little bit lighter. I don't want to block them out completely. And I'm setting them with a translucent powder. I'm taking a light pink eyeshadow. This one's from the BH Cosmetics 120 Colors palette, the third one. And I'm applying that all over my eyelid, the inner corner, lower lash line. Be as messy as you would like to be. I'm applying a darker pink to the exact same places, leaving the light pink kind of showing in the inner part of my eye, but I wanted to darken the outer part with a darker pink. And then I apply a dark reddish pink color to the very outer portions of my eye. I'm taking these false eyelashes. I have no idea where these are from. I know they're Kiss lashes, but I've used them so many times that they don't even look like appropriate eyelashes, which is why I use them for this look. I applied them with my fingers because they're actually kind of hard to apply with tweezers for some reason. They're really thin, and I think it's because I've used them so many times. And then I apply some mascara. I'm using the Makeup Forever Flash palette, the second one, and I'm using the darkest red that they have. And I'm applying a circle around my face. Not around my face, around my eyes. And you can see I kind of messed up because I was trying to make them even, and so I took a Q-tip with a little bit of baby oil on it and fixed my mistakes, and then I had to fix the other circle because it wasn't even with the first circle. It's kind of confusing. And then I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm taking a little bit more of that red and applying it in a thicker line around my eye, and then I'm dragging out that red into these kind of different lines. I don't know how to describe it, but it makes it look like an explosion. And then I apply circles around that to kind of add an even more explosive look, and I'm making more circles towards or more dots towards the circle, and then making them more sporadic as they go out. I'm using the red eyeshadow I used on my eyes, and I'm using that to contour my cheeks, and then applying a black to the very outer parts of that contour to kind of deepen it up a little bit. I'm taking that white kind of cream shade from the Makeup Forever palette and applying that over my lips. I take the Tattoo Junkies lip paints in Riot and Whatever, and I put Riot mostly on my lips and then dab Whatever in the very inner part of my lips to make it kind of darker. And then I take that red eyeshadow and apply it to my neck, and you're all done. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe, and see you next time.